Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reduce wood plague accumulation in Windrose. Now in case you don't know what I'm talking about, over on the Cursed Swamp region of the map, there is an infested area that will give you a progressively increasing bar of wood plague. This will start once you get close to the infested areas of the Cursed Swamp. As you can see right here on the footage, there is a bar that is slowly building up. Now for you to reduce the accumulation of that bar, check over to your discovery right now, and over on the Cursed Swamp, you need to have unlocked the Essence Arboretum on one of the key discoveries. Once you have discovered the Essence Arboretum, you'll be able to make the Minor Sun Ring. And one of this ring's best perk is pretty much reducing the wood plague accumulation by 30% on any of the plague zones. This will drastically help you to stay longer inside the plague zones. Now you can make this inside the jewelry table. Press down E and then you should be able to find the Minor Sun Ring. And it only costs a small amount of silver ingots. Just press down space to craft it, and collect it, and then make sure to use it on your person. This way, you'll be able to get as much resources as possible inside the plague zone areas. And that's pretty much about it on how to reduce wood plague accumulation in Windrose.